If a to b equals to 4 to 1, then what is the value of square root of a over b, positive square root of b over a? Now let me consider the equation we have over here, that is a to b equals to 4 to 1. In this equation, on both sides we have ratios. Let me write each ratio as a fraction. Then I am getting a over b equals to 4 over 1. Now let me take reciprocal on both sides of this equation. The reciprocal of a over b is b over a, and the reciprocal of 4 over 1 is 1 over 4. Here I got the values of a over b and b over a. Now let me plug in the values of a over b and b over a in the given expression. Then we get square root of, for a over b we can plug in 4 over 1, and for b over a we can plug in 1 over 4. We know that 4 over 1 is just 4, then we get square root of 4. And here we have square root for a fraction. Whenever we have square root for a fraction, the square root can be taken separately for numerator and denominator. Then I'm getting square root of 1 divided by square root of 4. Okay, here the square root of 4 is 2, positive, square root of 1 is 1, and square root of 4 is 2. Now let's add this integer and fraction. Whenever I want to do addition or subtraction between an integer and a fraction, the integer has to be multiplied by the denominator of the fraction. Once I'm done with this multiplication, I can take these two as a common denominator. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. Then I'm getting 4 positive 1 all divided by 2. 4 positive 1 is 5. That is, we get 5 over 2. I got the value of the given expression. Its value is 5 over 2. We find 5 over 2 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.